Yes, a Legacy Builder 2.0. Legacy Builder 2.0 is here. New launch coming tomorrow, Tuesday, March 11th, Central Standard Time. Folks, we are going to explode, and it's PaulyB coming at you once again right outside the Big Apple, New York City. Wondering where I've been? Getting ready, putting everything together for Legacy 2.0. And folks, everything happens right outside the Big Apple, New York City, money capital of the world. We get everything firsthand, and it's going to kick off tomorrow. For those of you in PaulyB's inner circle, be sure for the upgrade, it's only $39. Your grandfathered in $39. For inquiring minds, go into the description, click that link. Please do like, subscribe, and keep up to date with Legacy 2.0. Folks, we are so happy. We are so elated. Join PaulyB's inner circle and make 2025 your best year. Folks, this is going to be explosive for everyone involved. And remember this, if there's anything I tell you in this video, it's simply this: timing is everything. Timing is everything. For those who started in the Legacy Builder program, those who got in first in 2024 crushed it. Disclaimer, not everyone is going to make this kind of income. They are not typical. Why? Because Henry Ford said it right. Those who believe they can, and those who believe they can't, you, my friend, are right. And I have noticed this, that those who put their mindset first, Victoria Roman, Amy Tannehill, Daryl Hannah, and all the rest who become millionaires even, they got their mindset right, folks. They filled their mind with the training, the mindset that's incorporated into the Legacy Builder program. Legacy 2.0 is going to be far better. It's going to be far advanced. There's going to be a certification. Folks, getting in now. Marketing, marketing, marketing. Getting your content up, especially your YouTube videos, TikTok, and all the rest. Getting up there first on the search engines is going to be huge. And I would love to help you do that, folks. Folks, I am over here so happy, and I can hardly wait until tomorrow comes. It's going to be explosive. And shifting gears from just surviving mode to thriving mode. And that's what you're going to need, folks. PaulyB's Inner Circle is still alive and well. For those of you on my team, you want to be sure to make this upgrade, although it's not necessary. You could stay with the Legacy Builder program. You can still get the $900 commissions, those 4 packages. But I highly encourage you to jump aboard Legacy 2.0. Folks, I am elated, I am happy, and it is going to be absolutely wonderful.
I'm so excited for each and every one of you here, you guys. To me, this is where decisions should be made, right? That you can literally start brand new. And what I mean like that is when you have something new launching, you have the opportunity to be you 2.0 as well, right? So with that being said, what has happened in the past doesn't matter. What matters is what you do this moment forward. So what should never come out of your mouth is, I've not got a customer. or my content's not working. Because when we launched Legacy 2.0, it's new. None of us have got a customer with Legacy 2.0. See, your mind matters. So if you walk in to this as I'm brand new and I'm launching my business and I'm launching me 2.0, watch what happens. Just because of that level of excitement and urgency and confidence will change every single thing in your business. Okay. So I really want you to start that. Yeah. Start from scratch. That's it. I literally, every month I do that. Every month I'm like, brand new month, brand new me, brand new goals, brand new everything, right? And so, yes, reset. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys now. The Legacy Builder customers have already got a sneak peek of the website. I'm going to show it to you guys today. I'm going to kind of share with you what's changing, what we're working on, and I am going to also show you, I have one of the capture pages. Michelle, if you can text me the other capture pages,
Yep.
Then I can show them to them as well. Yes. Yeah, Matthew, prepared to be blown away. Yes, absolutely. Now here's the part, you guys. This is what we're so excited about that's really going to make us stand out. We're adding a licensing program to the Legacy Builders program, which means we're going to give you guys some just complete licensing that you can go through. It's a complete module that you are literally going to learn the skills and you're going to be certified. So it's literally going to stand you out. So if you're on this today and you are a Launchpad customer, or you're a digital mastery customer, or you're a Passive Daily Pay Blueprint customer, I would do what I can to get some sales and to upgrade. You want to be at the Legacy Builders program so you can be certified. You're really going to stand out there, okay? It's going to be really, really important. And our goal is to really educate you guys so you can have success. It's no different than anything. If you wouldn't have played football, do you think you're going to learn more by playing football by yourself, or are you going to learn more by having coaches and mentors? It's no different than anything. Right? I can't even tell you how many coaches my son has in running. Right? No matter what you do, you can't have success on your own. So we're really excited about this stand out for being certified. Okay. So you want to do that. So here's the deal. I don't care how long you've been in the program, you can upgrade. So you need to get back with the person to upgrade. If your person is no longer building a business, just direct message community support, I think is what it is, community support, and they can give you the link to upgrade. They can assist you with that, okay? If not, get back with the person that you bought from. They can upgrade you. If they're not upgrading, again, just message community support. Don't overthink this. I just want to get you on the Legacy Builders program, okay? Because we're officially launching this to the public on Tuesday. So you guys have the ability to start marking it Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh no, today's Thursday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, right? We're officially launching it, right? On Tuesday. Because we just got to make sure that everything is working and everything is going good. Okay, so you guys, you want to be a Legacy 2.0 by Tuesday. Actually, by Monday. Okay? So no, I'm just sharing with you, it's important to your success. So what I would do is I would set a goal and I would get some customers. Okay. Now here's the part that you guys are going to, first of all, let me back up. If you're a Legacy Builder customer, or if you're a Digital Mastery customer, or Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, Launchpad, every single website's being updated, by the way. Every single website's being updated. Email automations are being updated. You're now going to get 30 email automations, okay? And your capture pages are being updated. So everything is going to be updated. Now, here's the thing. You guys are going to get access to the updates for only $39. And at a Legacy 2.0, all that more training and everything we're adding, you're going to get access to this if you're a Legacy Builder customer at no extra cost. At no extra cost. You're going to get access to being able to get certified, that marketing campaign, and all of the marketing that we're doing at no extra cost. $39. And that is just to get you your new website, your new email automations. Yes, I know we made it ridiculous, right? So you get access to that at no extra cost to you. Now, one of the questions that is going to come, right? And I know it. You guys are going, well, but Michelle, but if we start marketing now, people are paying $29. Does that mean next week they got to pay $39? No, they don't. They will not have to pay another $39. I would never do that, okay? Like, I would literally never do that. They will literally be able to upgrade for $10 if they want to.
Folks, there it is. Legacy 2.0. And listen closely. A little mindset for those of you coming into Legacy 2.0. I often quote the great Bob Proctor, one of the greatest Christian manifestation teachers. And he said this: I am so happy and thankful now that money comes to me in increasing quantities through multiple sources on a continuous basis. When we put those thoughts, those affirmations, and we speak them, we know that thoughts are powerful, but those thoughts are empowered when we make the affirmations, especially I am affirmations. Speaking those things as if they were, the Bible says. Playing the role, playing the part of you becoming one of the top earners with Legacy 2.0. Folks, believe it and receive it. If you have the desire, the dream of getting off that hamster wheel, putting a stop to the 9 to 5, learn to stop trading your time for money, boss up, and you too will stop getting bossed around. I would love to sponsor you, mentor you, be your mindset manifestation coach, and I will see all of you at the top. Thanks for stopping by. Make it a great day and a great evening. And as always, God bless.